Majestic predators, unveiling the mysteries of big cats. Leopard. They are slim and athletic as compared to most of the big cats. They can even climb trees and often take their prey with them to get away from other scavengers like lions and hyenas. Leopards may grow as long as 6.25 feet and may have a tail as long as 4.5 feet. They may weigh as high as 176 pounds or as less as 66 pounds, allowing them to be able to jump 20 feet, making them nimble and agile as compared to some of the other big cats. Panthers are a variant of the leopard. Lion. Lions are often called the king of the jungle. They are easily recognizable because of their loud roar. These magnificent creatures live together in a group that is called a pride. They can grow as long as 6.5 feet. The tail of the lion can be 3 feet in length. The fact that they can weigh as much as 420 pounds really makes them a big cat. Jaguar. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and skilled hunters. They are the third largest big cat in the world and are easily recognizable by their tannish orange bodies covered in dark black spots and yellow rosette circles. Their weight may range between 100 to 250 pounds and they may grow as long as 6 feet. Tiger. Tigers are the strongest and most powerful among all the big cats. This is what makes them fearsome. Unfortunately, they are endangered and only have a population of 3,000 to 4,500 tigers in the world. They may grow as long as 6 feet with a tail length of 3 feet. However, they may weigh as much as 500 pounds, making them heavier than a lion. Cheetah. Cheetahs claim to fame in their speed as they are the fastest animal on the planet. They can reach speeds of 100 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. They are similar in size to a leopard and may weigh between 77 to 143 pounds. Snow leopard. The snow leopards look a bit similar to the leopard, but shockingly enough, it more closely resembles the tiger. Snow leopards are often referred to as the ghost of mountains because of their incredible natural camouflage. They also have short limbs which help them stay agile on steep, rocky cliffs and wide feet. Cougar. Cougars are also called pumas or mountain lions. They are fourth largest among all the big cats and can weigh as much as 200 pounds. They have the strongest hind legs among all cats, thus allowing them to leap 40 feet horizontally or 20 feet vertically. Cougars have a poor sense of smell, so they hunt with their eyes and ears.